Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on OUKITEL C33. To do this, we'll need to open our settings. Here, scroll down to the bottom and enter System. Now there should be the gestures settings, and first one is to swipe fingerprint for notifications panel, and you can find fingerprint scanner on the back. Now you need to use your finger just like that to pop open notification panel. So let's try it on the screen, and it works fine. Next one is to quickly open a camera. So we can quickly open camera by pressing power button twice, and it should work from any screen. Wait, because I think I haven't enabled it. Yep, I didn't. So, yep, it works fine. Next one is system navigation, and here you can choose how to navigate your device. You can either go for gesture navigations, and that way you navigate your phone using a finger and swiping it back and forth, and there's also option for 3 buttons. That way you'll see 3 buttons to navigate your device. Then there's one-handed mode. You can enable it, and then you'll see this shortcut. When you click on it, your phone will kind of cut in half, and it will be much easier to access notification panel with one hand. Next is left to check phone, and if you enable it, you can check your time, notifications and other information by picking up your phone, and that means your phone will wake up when you lock it down like that and pick it up in a grip. Yep, it works without any buttons. And next, press and hold power button to call out your Google Assistant, and you can also adjust the power hold duration for that button. Let's try it, and yeah, it also works fine. Then we have 3-pointer screenshot. Turn on the switch, use the 3-pointer screenshot, and I think, yep, so you just need to perform something like that. Swipe down 3 fingers from top of the screen to make a screenshot, and without it, yep, it doesn't work. So that's the feature that we're looking for. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.